And so far this morning, it's been everything but. We've been dealing with supercells, we've been dealing with persistent mesocyclones, and we've been dealing truly with cyclic supercells that have produced.
This is what we're waking up to this morning. Well, officially, good morning. It's been an active morning. Here it is now 10 after 10. So, yeah, the storms rolled through. Fortunately, we didn't get anything here. I'm not sure exactly what has happened. I know there was tornado activity in multiple locations, and I was really worried. My daughter had was going downtown for a test this morning, and I hadn't heard from her, and she hadn't answered my text. And of course, you know, a mother, yeah, if you're a mother, you know the feeling. So, but she finally got back, and they had just got there to started taking the test, and the sirens went off, and so they scooted them all to I guess a lower location, and then they were going to start their test again. So so that's all good. It's all good. We even had sunshine come out for a little bit. So, but all is good here. The storms are gone through my area. They are headed east. So people in the east, be prepared. So we're going to start. I've got, I'm going to turn this back around here. I've got my breakfast here made. I've got a couple of scrambled eggs, strawberries, one piece of toast, and some pastrami. And pastrami is a savory meat, and I think I just love that with her. We need our coffee. We need coffee, day 13. Here, what is this? We need, what do we have? We have mocha, marshmallow mocha. Okay, that's gonna be good. That sounds like a dessert coffee. So we'll see. I got my cup here. I've got my milk already heated up. In the microwave. So what I'll do is, if it's really sweet, because I had to have a plain cup of coffee this morning when I got up with all of that. The sirens just kept going off and going off. So yeah, Mama needed a cup of coffee. So we're going to maybe have a couple of sips on this, and then I may let it cool off and then put it in the fridge and then have an iced cup coffee like I did yesterday. I really enjoyed that. I forgot what it was yesterday, but I ended up drinking it as an iced cup in the afternoon, iced coffee in the afternoon. So this may be the same thing, so we'll see. But I will have a couple of sips of it. So I've got to sit down and eat my breakfast. And then I got some filming to do today, because tonight is the Christmas party for my club, and I've got to get ready for that. So I thought I'd just get ready a little early anyway, do my hair and makeup, and maybe do some clips of some videos that I need to work on. So I will see you guys in a little while. Excuse me. Oh, all right. It has been a very busy day for me. I've been working on a video for a get ready with me for the holiday party, and it's a holiday party that we're going to tonight. So you can't see my outfit, it's a secret, and so that's why I've got it all covered up. So as soon as Patrick gets home and gets changed, we got to go. So we're going to do a real quick Vlogmas advent calendar for you, and then we're going to get out of here. I don't know if I'll be able to get it uploaded tonight or not. I hope so, or when I get in. We're typically not there too late, so, but I am going to show you the progress that I've made on my puzzle really quick, which is a lot. It's coming along. I mean, there's not that many pieces left. We're on to almost a single layer in there, so it's getting there. It'll be done in the next day or two, I bet. So unless I slow down. So I just went ahead and gave the dogs their treats. So That was very noisy. I kept having to shut the door while I was trying to film. So, let's see, I put them out here, or let them out here in the back. Let's see. Chihuahuas. June. Chico, where are you? There's Chico. And there's June. All right. Our grass doesn't know it's winter yet back here. Our begonias don't know it's winter. Our trees know. Leaves are all down. After the storm last night, the roads are a mess. We have the road, let me turn here. The road out there that's really busy, the main drag through here, has cypress trees. And oh my goodness, there's tracks through the street of all the cypress leaves this morning because they were so crazy blown off everywhere. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for Patrick to get home and we'll get our advent calendars and then we're going to get going. So we'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, it turned off. Okay, we got wine.
Kiwi Cuvée Chardonnay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay, okay. I'll have a little bit of sip of that before we even leave, I think.
All right.
So I'm not sure if the other cut off or not, but we're just going to do our little recap. The cheese have already had their little treats. And the cheese is the jalapeno Gouda. Love, love, love it. And then Patrick got an Irish ale, red ale. Irish red ale. Okay.
Non-buttocks.
Non-buttocks beer. Okay. A little piece of chocolate, please. Ooh, dark chocolate ganache. Yum. Okay, I'll set that right there. Okay, I have one little bit of business to do. Today we need to do the giveaway. So for, the lipstick video that I did, and I said that I would announce it 3 days after it was up. So this is the giveaway that I'm doing today. So Patrick is going to draw one of the names out of there.
Rather large fly.
Darn it. All right, who is the wiener?
Life, Adventures, and Keto.
Okay, she's new to my channel.
Okay.
She came over from, she was watching Lori, Fluffy Mo, I think. So she came over. So, all right. And I don't know her first name yet. I will find that out though.
Okay.
So you've got 48 hours, Life Adventures with Keto, to contact me and get me through the IG message or down to my email that's listed down below. So, all right. We're around. All right. So we are going to get ready to go to the Christmas party. So I was doing this look today in a video. I'm hoping that everything comes out. I'll be editing it tomorrow. That's why you can't see my outfit, because it's a surprise. So, all right. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you for watching. And we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 14. Bye.
Bye.